Oh yes.
So ito naman guys, pag-usapan natin yung another wow episode guys. Ito naman ay another lampshade guys. So kailangan mo lang ng PVC and then tip measure. Ang ginawa niya is kinupit niya and then may pandikit. Okay. And then nalagay niya yung lalagyan ng ilaw